Most agency owners hunting for local business clients are chopping down trees with a butter knife. They take hours of scrolling Google Maps, click a listing, open a tab, check if they have a website, close it, and click the next one, and repeat 50 times. An entire afternoon is gone for one prospect client. Now, what if instead of using a butter knife, you had a chainsaw? The same tree, wildly different effort. And there's a chainsaw built into GoHighLevel. Most people don't know it exists. And in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to pull a clean list of dozens of local businesses in any zip code I want, and every single one of them is missing a website, every single one of them losing money daily. And I'm going to show you exactly how to turn that list into $500 a month clients without running a single ad. So let's get into it. Here's what you have in your back pocket by the end of this video. Number one is a full walkthrough of GoHighLevel's prospecting tool, the chainsaw I keep talking about, and two, the exact 5-minute AI website build you use to get your foot in the door. And number three is the 4-service AI stack you upsell on top of that website for $300 to $500 a month in recurring revenue. And if you want my full step-by-step course, the snapshots and templates that I use for local businesses, the outreach scripts, plus an extended 30-day free trial to the software, just comment down below. Make sure you smash the like button or hit the link in the description. It's all absolutely free, no paywalls, anything like that. So let's hop into this prospecting tool and I'll show you exactly how it works. Everything downstream of this video depends on having a clean lead list. Bad list, bad calls, bad pipeline means a bad month. Get a good list and the whole thing changes. So inside GoHighLevel, come down here and click on marketing, and then you're going to click on prospecting in the top corner and hit add prospect. Now type in your niche. This could be plumbers, roofers, HVAC dentists, mechanics, pool cleaners, any local service business with a Google profile. So just pick one, and then for this example I'm going to use HVAC, and then step two is pick a city. Type Houston, Phoenix, Tampa, wherever you want to work. I'm going to choose Dallas and then set the search radius to about 20 miles. And then hit search, and 2 seconds later you get back a list of every HVAC business in that radius. You get their name, their phone, their address, star rating, review count, and most importantly, this website column. And either it says yes in this column or it's going to say no. And so step three is to click the website filter and flip it to show only the businesses with no website. Now watch the list collapse down to just your actual prospects. On most searches, this filter cuts, and what you have here are the first 3 businesses that we're searching for that do not have a website. They have 80 reviews, 85 reviews, 10 reviews, and that's not all, because you can sell websites to people who have absolutely terrible websites. And the way that you're going to find this is by clicking this review button, and you're going to see people with absolutely 0 reviews with a website, but with 10 reviews, with 40, with 33, 20. I mean, the list goes on. And these are your ideal customers. These are people who don't know how to get a website or just spent money on a website years ago and it needs to be revamped. So from here, select the prospects that you want by coming over here and clicking on this box. Once you've selected your prospects, hit add selected prospects, and we're going to add them to a pipeline. Select the pipeline that you'd like to add them to, hit a stage, and hit add selected prospects. You've now got a ready to call pipeline before you finished your first cup of coffee. Now let me tell you why this specific filter of no website is the absolute sharpest angle you can lead with. Reason one is the problem is binary. There's 3 things that could happen. Either they have a decent website, they have a terrible website, or they have absolutely no website at all. With the last 2, there's no convincing required. You're not trying to talk an owner into believing that he has a problem. You're just showing him a fact that he already knows. And that cuts the sales cycle in half. Now, reason 2, what their customers actually see. And so when somebody Googles an HVAC company and the listing has no website, they see a bare bones Google profile, kind of like this, with barely a service description and no booking option. The customer hits back, and typically they're going to select the next HVAC company on the list that's near them. The owner has no idea this is happening every single hour of the day. He's watching the customers fall off a cliff. And reason 3 is the math hides the price. $300 to $500 a month sounds like a lot in isolation, but compared to an extra HVAC job, which closes typically for anywhere from $500 to $10,000, it's just a rounding error. One job a month covers your fee for the year, and you're delivering 5 to 10 jobs a month if the system is built right. The owner doesn't see a cost, he sees a trade. And that's why this angle closes on the first call. So you're not selling, you're showing him money he's already leaving on the table. So here's the exact script that I'd run on the phone. I'll just give him a quick cold call. There's no warm up, no Instagram DM, no emails. You pick up the phone, just dial the number from the prospecting tool and say, hey, is this Bob? I'll keep this real quick. I was looking up HVAC companies in Dallas this morning and your Google profile came up, but I noticed there's no website attached to it. So I went ahead and I put one together for you. This has your name, your services, your branding. I'm not pitching anything today over the phone. Just wanted to see if I could send you the link so you could take a look. Does that sound fair? Now, you're not pitching the service yet. You haven't talked about money. You basically handed him a gift and asked if he wants to take a look at it. So if he asks why it's free, and about a quarter of them will, say something like, I'm building case studies for HVAC companies right now and figured figured I'd just do it instead of asking you to imagine it. You get a real working site out of it. When's your next availability? And I can walk you through it real quick. Now here's the best part. You don't actually have the website built yet when you make the call. The promise is the hook. Once they say yes to the meeting, you build it in 5 minutes before you hop on the Zoom or Google Meets call. The script implies that the work is done. Saying yes feels like accepting a gift, not committing to a sales call, and that's why it converts at the rate that it does. So run this on 50 calls, expect about 20 to 25 owners to say yes to the meeting, and of those, about 5 to 10 close. That's an entire pipeline for the week from one morning of calls. Now let's build the website. This part used to take a developer 4 to 6 weeks, then a Wix template took 2 days, and now it takes 5 minutes. So go back into your GoHighLevel sub account and go back to the business that you want to sell this to, and you're going to come and copy and paste the Google Business Profile link. And then you're going to paste this prompt with the Google Business Profile link into the AI Studio. It says build a 5-page website for this HVAC company using the information from this Google Business Profile with the link. Pages should be home, services, about, reviews, and contact. Mobile responsive, include a free estimate form on the home page. We're going to hit submit. AI Studio is crawling the profile. It pulls in all of their information, their name, their address, phone, hours, service list, photos, reviews, and builds a real working 5-page site in 60 to 90 seconds with a modern design, mobile responsive, form that pipes into the CRM, SEO settings if you click the optimize button. It's like pouring ingredients into a magic kitchen. You drop in a name, an address, a phone number, and the dinner shows up plated and seasoned 90 seconds later. I promise you, most owners are genuinely shocked when they see this because their site has their actual business name on it, their actual photos, their actual reviews embedded, and the owner has no idea that you typed one sentence to make that happen. And that's exactly how you want it. Now here's the website. You can see it is professionally built. As you can see, this is for Air North, which is their HVAC company. You have your homepage, services, about. You even have their own reviews that have been imported along with their phone number and a contact form to get a free estimate. So here's what you do next on the Zoom call. You send him the preview link, he clicks it, and he scrolls for about 20 seconds. And so what's important here is don't give him the website yet. Don't hand over the URL. Don't sign a contract. The website's just the demo. And the pitch is what comes next. There's 4 AI services that we want to try to add on top and add on the recurring revenue. The website is just the door, and these 4 AI services are the rent. You build each one once during onboarding, and you charge for them every month after. So service 1 is the AI chat widget on the website. So a visitor lands at midnight, types how much for a clogged drain. The widget answers with real info pulled from the business's profile and offers to book it. That alone justifies an extra $100 a month. And to do that, just come down here and type in add a chat widget, and it'll have that done in 30 seconds. Service 2 is missed call text back. Over 60% of inbound calls to local businesses go unanswered. Every voicemail is a customer 2 seconds from dialing the next guy on Google. GoHighLevel fires an automatic text saying, hey, this is Bob. Sorry I missed you. How can I help? Owner just rescued a job he didn't even know existed. And service 3 is review automation. Every closed job triggers a review request 60 to 90 minutes after the work finishes. The owner who used to ask once a month now gets a 5-star review out of 1 in every 5 jobs. In 90 days, the review count doubles. In 6 months, it triples. And Google's local rank follows. And service 4 is the AI voice receptionist. When the owner is under a sink or driving between jobs, the AI picks up the phone, qualifies the lead, and books the appointment on the calendar and texts the owner the summary. This one feature alone justifies at least $500 a month, and you're charging $500 to $600 for the entire bundle. And keep in mind, this is a receptionist who never takes a lunch, never quits, never asks for a raise, costs less than half of a part-time human who used to do the job worse. So stack it. Your website plus chat widget plus missed call text back plus reviews plus AI receptionist, easily $500 to $600 a month, maybe an hour of total setup on your end. After day 30, the system completely runs itself, and you just collect monthly recurring revenue. And by the way, if you're getting value from this, make sure to smash the like button and drop a comment down below. And if you do, I will send you my templates, outreach scripts, and 30-day free trial to GoHighLevel. Now, the last 2 parts today are purely objection handling and the math that makes this make sense. So you might hear 2 objections on basically every Zoom that doesn't immediately close. So memorize the responses now, and that way you won't freeze on the call. Objection 1 is I already have a website. Your response is something along the lines of, cool, what's the URL? Pull it up live. Quick question, when's the last time you opened open this on your phone. Most owners haven't in a while. Mind if I throw your current site and the one I built side by side and you pick which one you'd rather have on Google? Either way, there's no commitment. This reframes the conversation. He's no longer defending the old site. He's just choosing between two options, and the new one always wins. Now, objection 2 is, can I just pay one time and own the website? Absolutely you can, but here's the thing. The website is the front door. The 4 AI services are what answer the door at 3 in the morning. Without those, you've got a beautiful storefront and nobody can actually walk into it. Every owner who skipped the services has come back months later asking to add them. I'd just rather save you that step. Then walking back through the missed call number, 60% of his phone calls vanish into voicemail. He does the math on his own, picks the recurring, and it's a done deal. So here's the math, because this is the part most people skip and then wonder why they quit after week 2. 5 clients at $500 is $2,500 per month, which is $30,000 a year. That covers your basic rent, your groceries, maybe a car payment in most cities. Now let's say you do 10 clients at $500 a month. That's $5,000 per month and $60,000 a year, which beats most salaries that you can get at entry-level jobs that your friends are probably still showing up to every single day. Now imagine that you get 20 clients. That is $10,000 per month, which, quick math, is $120,000 a year. And we're talking maybe 30 minutes of actual work a day to fulfill, because once this snapshot is built, every new client is a 25-minute import. And here's the part I want to make sure lands. Most people watching this video right now are going to do nothing. They'll save the video, they'll tell themselves they'll come back to it later. They won't. Don't be that person. Open the prospecting tool, pull as many leads as you can, pick up the phone, make 50 calls. The whole exercise takes about 30 minutes start to finish, and a single yes covers your software costs for the entire year. So if you want my full step-by-step walkthrough, the snapshots I use for local businesses, outreach scripts, objection handling cheat sheet, plus an extended 30-day free trial to the software, comment down below or hit the link in the description. It is absolutely free. There's no paywall at all. And subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this. Thank you guys for watching, and let's go make some calls.